workouts, and helpful advice. Add this video to your favorites. It will guide you when you train. Next exercise, full standing twist. Go. If you cannot do it, try slowing down the pace. Don't bend or curve your back. Keep the abdomen constantly tight to stabilize the spine and avoid injuries. Don't turn your knees inwards or outwards. They should constantly be in line with your toes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, standing cross crunch. Go. If you cannot do it, try not lifting your leg and concentrate on your bust. Keep the abdomen constantly tight. Do not strain your neck. Stare at a fixed point in front of you to help you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, high punch. Three, 2, 1. Go. If you cannot do it, try slowing down the pace. Don't pass the line of your toes with your knees during the descent to avoid joint problems. Don't curve your back during this exercise. Keep your abs and glutes constantly tight. Don't turn your knees inwards or outwards during the descent phase. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, standing crunch with outstretched leg. Three, 2, 1. Go. If you cannot do it, try keeping your leg bent and touch your knees with your hands. Keep your shoulders and head straight throughout the whole exercise. Try staring at a fixed point in front of you. Be sure not to bend your leg when you lift it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, standing knee touch crunch. 3, 2, 1. Go. If you cannot do it, try slowing down the pace. Don't arc your back. Keep your abs tight. Avoid violent impact with the floor during the descent. In order to do this, always land on your toes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, standing full side crunch. 3, 2, 1. Go. If you cannot do it, try not lifting your leg and concentrate on your bust. Don't bend the neck sideways to avoid forcing it. Be sure not to lean the bust forward. The shoulders should be in line with your hips. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, standing twist. 3, 2, 1, go. If you are unable to complete this movement, try slowing down the pace. Be sure to only rotate your torso. It may help to stare at a point in front of you. Keep your abs constantly tight to avoid burdening the spine. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Water break.
Three, 2, 1, go. Next exercise, crunch. Go. If you can't, outstretch your arms along the body and place the palms of your hand on the floor. Do not strain your neck when you lift your shoulders. You can help by staring at a fixed point on the ceiling during the movement. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Next exercise, side crunch. Three, 2, 1, go. If you cannot do it, try slowing down the pace. Don't curve your neck forward to help the push. Try looking at a fixed point on the ceiling during the movement. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides in the shortest time possible. Go. Don't arc your back. Keep your abs tight to avoid spine problems. Don't push yourself with your arms as you rise. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Next exercise, cross crunch. Three, 2, 1, go. If you cannot do it, try resting your feet on the ground. During the exercise, don't raise your lower back and keep the abdomen tight. Don't bend your neck. Stare at the ceiling to avoid strains. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Next exercise, side crunch with ankle touch. Three, 2, 1, go. Never lift your lower back off the floor. Keep your abs contracted to avoid mistakes. Do not strain your neck. Try staring at a fixed point on the ceiling. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Next exercise, controlled leg drop. 3, 2, 1, go. If you cannot do it, try the exercise using only one leg at a time. Be sure not to lift your lower back off the floor. Keep your abs constantly tight. The descent of the legs should be slow and controlled. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, alternating leg raise. 3, 2, 1, go. If you cannot do it, try resting your heel on the floor before moving on to the next contraction. Be sure not to raise your lower back off the floor. Keep your abs constantly tight. Don't bring your legs down too fast. Control the movement to maximize its effects. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, reverse crunch. 3, 2, 1, go. If you cannot do it, try keeping your legs raised and perform only the rotation of the pelvis. Be sure not to bend your lower back when taking your feet towards the ground. Do this by keeping the abdomen tight. Control the movement to prevent back problems. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, the 100. 3, 2, 1, go. If you cannot do it, try bending your legs at 90 degrees. Always keep your legs outstretched and your lower back on the floor. Try keeping your abs well contracted throughout the entire exercise. To avoid straining the neck, keep your eyes on your belly button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, crossing legs, hands on the ground. 3, 2, 1, go. If you cannot do it, keep your legs at 90 degrees and your lower back on the floor. Do not bend or curve your back during the exercise. Keep your abdominals tight in order to be able to do this. Do not strain your neck. Staring at a fixed point in front of you may help. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, high plank. 3, 2, 1, go. If you are unable to complete this movement, try resting your knees on the ground. Never lift or lower your pelvis. Your head, shoulders, and hips should be on the same line. Don't strain your neck by trying to look forward. Constantly stare at a fixed point on the floor. Constantly keep your abs and glutes tight. Be careful not to flex the foot. The heel must always be directed toward the ceiling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, side plank. 3, 2, 1, go. If you can't, bend the leg at 90 degrees and rest your foot and knee on the ground. Do not lower or lift your pelvis. Head, shoulders, hips, and feet should be aligned as if they were following an imaginary line. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides in the shortest time possible. Go. Do not look at the floor. Stare at a fixed point in front of you. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Water break.
Three, 2, 1. Go. Next exercise, back stretching. Go. In order to stretch the right muscles, you must form a letter C with your back. The neck should be relaxed. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, abdominal stretching. Go. Never lift your hips off the ground. This will increase the effectiveness of the extension. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Try out our full workout plans. More info in the description below.